Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina, and I'm here again with my next video. And today we will continue our last topic where we are solve some questions. So today we will solve what is the meaning of prosperity. How can you say that you are prosperous? The feeling of having or making available more than required physical facilities is prosperity. Almost all of us feel that wealth alone means prosperity and try to explain this phenomenon on this non existent or half fact. We are trying to achieve happiness and prosperity by maximizing accumulation and consumption of physical facilities. It is becoming anti ecological and anti people and threatening the human survival itself. For prosperity, two things are required. The first one is identification of the required quantity of physical facilities, and second, ensuring availability or production of more than required physical facilities. We can be prosperous only if there is a limit to the need for physical facilities. If there is no limit whatsoever be availability, the feeling of prosperity cannot be assured. Secondly, just assessing the need is not enough. We need to be able to produce or make available more than the perceived need. Next question. What is the difference between prosperity and wealth? What is more acceptable to us and why? Or what do you understand by prosperity? What is the difference between prosperity and wealth? How are the two related? Or what is the meaning of prosperity? How does it differ from possession of wealth? Explain with examples or differentiate between prosperity and wealth with examples. Answer. Prosperity is a feeling of having more than required physical facilities. It is not just physical facilities. Almost all of us feel that wealth alone means prosperity and try to explain this phenomenon on this non existent or half fact. Wealth is a physical thing, it means having money or having a lot of physical facilities or both. This is very important distinction. We mostly fail to make this distinction today. We keep working for wealth without realizing that the basic desire is for the feeling of prosperity, to have a feeling of having enough. Prosperity is more acceptable to us because wealth is just a part of prosperity. We are trying to achieve happiness and prosperity by maximizing accumulation and consumption of physical facilities. It is becoming anti ecological and anti people and threatening the human survival itself. A person has a lot of money but does not want to share even a bit of it. The person has wealth but feels deprived. If one felt prosperous, he or she would have shared what one has. Since there is lot more than enough wealth anywhere. Thank you.